word apothecary has a Greek origin, which translates to pharmacy. Apothecary.AI is our take on making the current pharmacy operations smarter and intelligent, and at the same time making it diverse and inclusive. The implementation has two personas: the customer who places the order using the seamlessly integrated AI features, and the pharmacist who has now become more efficient and proactive with the AI infused solutions. This comprehensive solution, developed with Blazor and .NET Core API, offers a user-friendly multilingual experience. It begins with the customer registration, leveraging AI-powered ID card reader AI model. Users can interact with the Azure OpenAI chatbot for information about medicines and place orders via image or prescription uploads, which is supported by image detection and document processing AI models. Voice ordering in multiple languages is also available through Azure Whisper OpenAI. The system also provides alternate medicine suggestions, medication warnings, and GDPR compliance features, all powered by Azure OpenAI, in combination with OpenAI DALI. Payment gateway and sentiment analysis for feedback enhance user experience. Power Automate manages communication with various AI models and with Dataverse as the backend. Pharmacists can utilize Google Palm API for fraud checks, Azure OpenAI for stock readiness, and efficient dispatch station scheduling. Additionally, there is Azure ML-based demand forecasting and 24/7 refrigeration device monitoring through Azure IoT and OpenAI integration. This comprehensive solution seamlessly integrates AI, generative AI, cloud services, and efficient communication channels to streamline the pharmacy operations. The smart pharmacy solution starts with the customer persona who can either log in or as a first-time user can register themselves in the Blazor-powered portal. It is intelligently automated using AI Builder's ID card reader models, which internally uses Azure Identity document processing for extracting and populating the personal details. We have also added the diversity and inclusion by allowing the app to be used in multiple languages using the AI Builder's text translation services. Users can use Azure OpenAI powered chatbot to ask questions in natural language, and the bot will combine the medicinal context from the backend database and provide contextual answers back to the user in a human-like conversation. There are multiple AI-powered ways to start placing an order. First one is we can upload the image of the medicine, and AI Builder's object detection model will identify the medicine from the image and populate it in the product drop-down menu based on the selected medicine. Or we can upload the medicine prescription, and AI Builder's unstructured document processing model will extract the medicine prescription details and create an order automatically, which reduces the manual efforts. To further enable diversity and inclusion by empowering the visually disabled, we are leveraging the Whisper API of Azure OpenAI, whereby we can place an order vocally in any language using the microphone.
I will like to buy 30 units of morphine for a duration of 30 days.
Whisper OpenAI has translated this French vocal into English, and Azure OpenAI has converted that into an order by checking the backend database. We are also providing Azure OpenAI powered suggestion using product information stored in the database backend, whereby we will get alternate medicine suggestions that share the same generic names. In addition to this, we are also using OpenAI DALI API to generate images of alternate medicines to give a better visual representation. Based on the patient's medical history added during the registration process, we also provide Azure OpenAI powered medicine side effects if the current selected medicine impacts any of the other existing conditions of the patient. Here as well, we are using DALI OpenAI to generate images for highlighting the severity of the situation. Considering the GDPR and healthcare regulations, we are also providing an option for the user to check if any of his personal information collected during the registration process is stored in the database backend using Azure OpenAI. And we also provide the democratic rights back to the user so that they can delete the personal details from the backend system. So now that we have added the medicine orders to the shopping cart, let's place the order and make the payment, for which we have integrated a payment gateway called eWay that will accept the payments to the merchant wallet. Once we have completed the payment and order is placed, we can give feedback about the user experience, which is analyzed using sentiment analysis model of AI Builder. And if it is found negative, it is escalated to the supervisor via email immediately. We come to the end of the customer persona journey. Now, once the order is placed, the pharmacy supervisor can use the dispatch planner app to do a fraud check on each of the order, for which we are using Google's Palm Generative AI API to medicine order prescription against a prehistoric set of fraud orders, where there was abnormal quantities ordered for certain medicines. Once the fraud check is passed, the pharmacist can check if all the medicines of the order can be fulfilled, for which we are using Azure OpenAI to cross-check the stock in the database backend, and it gives us a report of what percentage of order can be fulfilled. If all the medicines are in stock, the supervisor will go ahead and schedule the dispatch of the order, for which we are again using Azure OpenAI that will check the current dispatch schedules and identify the dispatch station with the least load and assign the packaging of the order to that particular station. As an innovative step towards proactive future procurement, pharmacists can also make use of the demand forecast option that will use the Azure machine learning time series model to forecast the demand of a particular product. And we are using it in combination with Azure OpenAI that checks the current stock and tells us by how much amount we should refill to meet the Azure ML demand forecast. Pharmacies often use industry-grade refrigeration to store medicines that needs to be kept at certain temperature and humidity levels. To ensure that we monitor the refrigeration health 24/7, we are making use of an Azure IoT simulator that will emit the incremental temperature and humidity levels to Azure IoT Hub, which then travels to Event Hub. And from there, Power Automate captures it where we use Azure OpenAI to check if the current levels are synonymous with a prehistoric condition in which the medication has expired. To the right side, we have the real-time telemetry where every 2 minutes we pick up the data from Event Hub and shows the details along with Azure OpenAI identified anomalies. The very recent anomaly is listed at the top, and we can escalate it to the technicians who will receive a Microsoft Teams adaptive card notification to look into the issue. As we conclude this tour of Apothecary.AI, where we have seen 16 different AI and generative AI implementations, we are reminded of the power and potential of technology to transform everyday experiences. This journey through our smart pharmacy solution showcased how blended AI, cloud services, and innovative APIs can revolutionize pharmacy operations, making them more efficient, inclusive, and responsive to diverse needs. From a seamless customer interaction to intelligent backend process, Apothecary.ai is not just a glimpse into the future of healthcare technology, but a testament to our commitment to smarter, more accessible pharmacy services to everyone. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey towards a healthier and more connected world.